Just Rumble be like, but with only pawns. That was a double kill. Another double kill. Third kill. Literally just killed everyone. That was a quick match with only one move. This is round 2. White side has 1 point. Up to 3 points. Now it's black's turn. Okay, let's see this. Dead. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now let's see the play by the player. Damn, that's 4. Now let's see. Dead. 1, 1, 1. Dead. 1 dead. 1 dead. Those 2 were dead. Now those 4 were dead. Round 3. Black side have 1 point and white side has 1.2. Let's go. Now let's go. This guy is dead. 1. This guy is dead. 1. This guy is 1. And this guy has 2. Now let's see their combination. Now this is 1, 2. Dead to. 1, 1, 1. Double kill. Dead. White side has now 2 points. Let's go right into it. As you know, guys, know already what time it is.